having fun the first time, but then after that
It
was
was cold and you'd get water running down there.
Plus you wouldn't know, would you, if you would come out and your house would be there or not.
Yeah.
Things like that. Oh, we've got a light anyway.
Tell us what you remember about being down in the air raid shelter.
I never went one. We didn't have one.
You went to the underground?
Well, we went to these ones in the street.
What do you remember about those? Just
They
like
were
this, but
made
bigger.
of brick. And they had bunk beds in them. And I always had to get up on the top one because the older people wanted to sit on the bottom one.
Yeah. And were you able to sleep? Would you be able to sleep?
No, well, we weren't down there long enough to get that.
What happened when you were down there? Did people talk, sing?
Yes, talk, no. We listened mainly to the bombs.
And there was a time when you didn't make it to the shelter, wasn't there?
Yeah, that's when I got my war wound.
Yeah.
That was what, shrapnel?
Yeah, are we being locked in?
No?
It's just
Come
time
on
to
in.
Come in.
Come on in, you're very welcome. We were just talking to Mum about her memories
Over.
of being in an air raid shelter.